The next step, what we would do is our injection process. While she's injecting, we'll explain what we use in our injection real quick. Our injection is a injection powder combination between a couple different products. We use Peep Show. It's not only for chicken. I've been using it on pork for a couple of years now. We've been doing really well. And then we use Melissa Cookson's World Class Pork Injection with apple juice, which is 1/4 cup, and 16 ounces of smart water. But then, when we do that, we also add in a little combination of different maple syrups. We use 1/4 cup of organic regular maple syrup, and then we use 1/4 cup of pecan syrup to give a little bit more of a flavor profile of what we're looking for. We've always done pretty decent on ribs. We cook on ribs, we either use our Gateway Germ smokers or our Humphrey smokers. It depends upon what we're cooking on for the competition. As you see, she's injecting through the bones. So in between, you want to be able to get enough injection in so it swells up so you get a nice flavor bite inside. The reason why we inject the ribs is to keep the moisture in those ribs, because each rack of ribs will cook a little bit differently. Because no rack is from, you might have 2 racks from the same pig, but most likely you're going to get them from all different pigs. So every pig eats a little bit different. So what you're trying to do is give the best moisture in the one bite you can. As Katie's injecting the ribs, she's looking at the way she's doing it. So she's looking at trying to make sure she's injecting every portion of this rib to get a flavor profile. When we're looking at the injection process, when she finishes up this rack, I'll flip it over so I can explain what I'm looking for on top of the rib. So as you're seeing, all these crevices have raised. So that means you know your injection's taken that. When we're doing our injection, we're normally doing this the night before a comp. So about 7 to 8 o'clock, I'm normally injecting pork and ribs because I put those all on between 6 and 7 in the morning. So I try to have those with injection for 12 hours.